What?
Your go-kart, bro. That shit cooked you.
Cooked you? Oh.
You got on straight, and I'm hitting the governor, bro. This nigga's pulling on me. Fuck, this nigga's I'm hitting the governor, so my truck, I can't go no faster, bro. This nigga fucking
Go-kart just pulling.
Wait, does it tell you how many teeth is on your shit?
How many what? Oh, teeth? 71.
You got 71?
Yeah.
Tell me how y'all.
I got 18. An 18 tooth sprocket though.
What would it say on there?
My sprocket isn't stock. That's why it says it. Probably. You could probably count from like 90 degrees and then multiply by 4. Little gas run real quick.
That shit was lit though. This nigga was frying my ass, bro.
And we out, yeah, leaving the gas station back to the garage. We just filled up a tank full of gas. And we are back on the road. Good? Left at the light, left at the light. Left at the light. I'm not gonna fit.
Bro, you seen the drift? Yo, did you see your light flash before your eyes?
That was good drift time.
Yo, bro, we left drift marks.
I got that on video.
Yeah.
I got that.
Run that shit right now. Run that shit right now, yo. But I ain't gonna lie, this fire content, bro.
Great content.
Fire content, bro.
Yeah. Holy shit.
I'm just saying, you need to straight pipe this shit. You need some. Yo, now that shit was crazy.
Yo.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. That shit would have been bad. That shit would have been bad for both.
You'd have ran me straight the fuck over. Yo.
Nigga would have a bike straight to the face, and I would have went flying, bro. I probably would have went past the stop sign, bro.
Not past the stop sign. Yo. I fucking drifted the shit, but I didn't expect it to fully spin out, bro. As soon as I get 90 degrees, I see you flying.
If it was just like, if it was like 4 of us, bro.
Oh yeah.
Niggas wasn't gonna stop it, Tom.
That would have been a multi-kill.
No
that would have been a multi-kill all day.
Yo, I might need a helmet.
No fun.
I'm gonna get my helmet after that one. Yo, alright. Yo, you got that on record?
Hell yeah, I recorded that.
Let's get back to the garage.
Oh shit. Gas tank came off.
Get me back to the fucking
It hit the ground?
Not hit the ground, but it was like dragging off the side.
Oh shit.
I
Yo.
feel like that should be exact, huh? In fact, instead of hooking it there.
I went to high school with him, what the fuck?
Try to find something to hook it.
Oh, it came off this.
If I could hook this shit right there, I'd be sturdy.
Probably could. Probably just gotta pull up OD.
It should be good. Get us back right around the corner.
We run around, yeah, exactly.
Yeah, nah, I thought some shit went wrong. I'm like, what the fuck? I felt some shit. I'm like, damn. It felt like something hit the chain, so I felt like someone got caught in the chain. I'm like, what the fuck was that? I felt like a weight shift. Then I'm like, yo, I turn around. The gas tank is going, bro. Stop. I'm like, yo, what the fuck? I was like, we're gonna have to go back to that shit. It was just dragging off the side though.
At least we didn't put a hole in it.
Yeah. You know what I was concerned about though? I mean, it's not that close to the flames, but while I was driving, I'm thinking, that shit does be spitting flames. I'm like, I'm over here, nigga, Ty over there having mad fun. I'm over here driving around with a hot
panicking with a bottle of death.
Right on my back too. Like this shit. Like, I'll probably lay that shit, but my back never gonna fit. You need help?
Nah. Oh, I got you. Yep. I'm gonna roll forward. Nah, I got gas. It's just not. It's not feeling too up to it. It's gonna start. Your shit not happy either. On you. real quick. Damn, why didn't I pull in the garage?
You know what my goal for this shit is?
What?
My goal for this shit is to set up a speed camera, bro. If I can get it to set up a speed camera, I'll be 32, I need about maybe 7, 8 more.
That's what I need.
That's it. Like, I'll be good at 40, because this shit already fast. I feel like if I make it too fast, I'm gonna have to install front brakes. You get what I'm saying?
Oh, that's true. That's true.
So I only got rear brakes.
I need to set up a speed camera. That's my goal. Yee.
Let's see the footage, man. Let's run.
Yeah, exactly.
Side, bro.
Run the clips back. Later, yeah.